In the sizzling world of breakfast bliss, where batter meets creativity, behold the Flippin' Perfection Pan, a pancakes frying pan that transcends the ordinary, a symphony of design ingenuity and culinary precision, and an indispensable upgrade to your breakfast toolkit. This isn't just a frying pan, it's a design marvel, a multitasking wonder, and a practical solution to elevate your pancake game. Flippin' Perfection Pan is your culinary canvas for pancake artistry, turning every flip into a note in the harmonious melody of gourmet breakfast. Let's delve into the design, for Flippin' Perfection Pan isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its non-stick surface and even heat distribution make it a standout addition to your culinary essentials. This isn't just a frying pan, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your breakfast routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's an aesthetic upgrade to the concept of pancake perfection. But what truly sets Flippin' Perfection Pan apart is its culinary prowess. This pancakes frying pan doesn't just cook, it does so much more. Equipped with a precise temperature control, a comfortable handle, and a spacious surface, Flippin' Perfection Pan becomes a versatile companion for various pancake creations. Whether you're crafting classic buttermilk pancakes, experimenting with creative shapes, or mastering the art of pancake artistry, Flippin' Perfection Pan is the guardian of your culinary perfection, offering precision in every flip and presentation. It's not just a frying pan, it's a symphony of multitasking culinary convenience. Versatility is Flippin' Perfection Pan's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one type of pancake, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The spacious surface allows you to tailor your pancake creations to suit different occasions, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various breakfast challenges. Whether you're serving a family brunch, surprising the kids with fun-shaped pancakes, or impressing guests with gourmet breakfast delights, Flippin' Perfection Pan is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of pancake perfection. It's not just a frying pan, it's an avant-garde solution to your breakfast versatility. That is it for today, guys. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I will see you in the next one.